Hello guys, this is Giratina's Rising Renegades here. Today I thought I'd stop by the Pallet Town, by the store right here to see what's in store for, see what they got in store for customers. Yeah. Ah yeah, Pallet Town Poke Shop. Sorry about the ending. Anyway, this place just opened last year or two, and I'm quite thrilled. Now, as you can see here, right now the store is set to be closed right now, and it's set to open in about 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, and said something about an air conditioner, but I hope they get it fixed because I really love to check this place out, especially since I'm in the area. Anyway, I'm gonna go park my bike somewhere before I even go inside, or maybe take a stroll around the area before it opens. I'll catch you guys later. Well guys, store's open and now let's go in. Guys, that was my trip inside the lounge known as Pallet Town Poke Shop. And here I bought 2 Pokemon cards as gratitude to my service of going in as a good customer. Spiratomb and Passaminian. Well, not sure if I already got these 2, but I guess we'll find out when I get back tonight. And if I already do, well, can't go. Nothing. Well, you gotta get used to it. Anyway, be sure to catch me later and tonight. Anyway, I'll be seeing you guys later. Be sure to, if you enjoyed my visit to the shop, please hit like and subscribe in the video down below the video. And be sure to leave a comment in the comment section if you got anything to say. Also, be sure to check out other channels that I enjoy visiting, as well as other live streams as well. Anyway, Pokemon's been one of my -- long-time favorites since the late 90s, ever since I came back here to Western New York. And I'm sure there are millions of folks who are into Pokemon just like me. Anyway, I have to go now, guys, but catch me later. I'll catch you guys later, and for this scheduled stream. See ya. Hi guys, I decided to come back. I decided to come back to the Pallet Town Poke Shop to pick up one more thing. Yeah, that's right. Just one more thing I like to come and pick up before I head back to the house to get another swim in the pool and cover before the rain comes down. Well, around 5 as they say, but today we're just going to go back in and pray that we find what we're looking for. I'm back. Just came to pick up one more thing. Yeah, should be around here. Over here.
Giratina?
Yes.
Alright. $6.
All right. Here's 10.
Okay.
Thank you.
What your favorites?
Well, guys, I got my last item from the Poke Shop, and here it is. Giratina, altered form. Designation the Renegade Pokemon. Yep, just like the YouTube profile I'm using now. Anyway, I'll be sure to... It feels quite good to come back to this place again for another go. So that makes $9 on the budget spent this week. And now I'm down to 41 on the limits. Anyway, be sure to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video, and be sure to check out more videos I got on my channel to come. Take care, guys. Giratina's Rising Renegades is taking off again. Farewell.